Welcome to the sixth part of Tkinter tutorial for beginner. In this video, we are going to create some button. Let's get started. First, let me create a function. Okay, with name create button. Okay. Okay, and okay. Okay, self dot btn dot back and self dot create btn. Now if I run this, and this is our button. Okay, now you can change the background color and the foreground color of the button. Okay, let's see. Okay, okay, green, it's mean the color of the text, and BG mean the color of the button, okay, which is red. Okay, okay, now you can see. Okay, and you can set the border of the button. Okay, let's see. Okay, if I run this, okay, let me increase the size of the button. Okay, to do this we use okay part-6, which means width. Okay, 40, pad y equal to 40, which means height. If I run this, then now you can see our button size is increased. Okay, now okay, if I set the BD, which mean border, okay, to 6, now you can see. Okay, you can notice the border. Okay, and also you can set the state of the button. Okay, disable. Okay, I mean it does not perform anything. Okay, it's not clicking. Okay, let me create a label and see. Okay. Self okay, label text equal to hello. Okay, self dot l1 dot back. Okay, now if I call this self create button. Okay, now if I run this, okay, it's duplicating because I called twice. Okay, create label. Okay. Okay, now if I run this, and this is our label and this is our button. Okay, okay, now you can also specify the type of border to this. Okay, relief REL I, okay, RELIEF relief equal to GR group. Is the type of the border. You can see a all of the type of border in the documentation. And now you can see. Okay, border is changed. Okay, now okay, okay, if I run this, okay, click this and it does not performing anything. So okay, let's add some function to this button. Okay, def change self okay self dot okay config okay text equal to hi. Okay, hi, you clicked. Okay, you can also set okay set the font of the button text. Okay, let's see. Okay, at first I don't want this, so let me comment this. To do this, just simply type font equal to within the tuple and okay times its font name. Okay, uh, check the font available in your computer and try them. Okay, and I want bold. Okay, uh, bold, and if I run, okay, this 40 means the size of the text. Okay, now you can see text of the size is increases. Okay, I also can do this in okay label. Okay, okay, here it is. Okay, font equal to this. Okay, 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 I don't want this here. Okay, okay, I want this here. Okay, uncomment this and configure this with this. Okay, this time I want 30 only. Okay, let me remove one semicolon here. Okay, if I run this okay and click it here, then okay, this label is changed to high. You clicked and font also changed. Okay, okay, you can also change the background and the foreground color. Do this yourself. Okay, the reason it does not show me anything because I does not set it yet. Okay, let's quickly do this and the command equal to function name, which is okay, change. Okay, we does not write parenthesis. Okay, now if I run and click this, now you can see the size is changed and text is changed. Okay, here I create a simple label, okay, with a text hello, and I create another method here with name change, and I simply write okay, when someone call this method, then okay, now update this self.l1 label with this. Okay, and this command equal to self.change mean okay, when someone click the button, okay, if I run this and when someone click the button, then call the function. I call the method this. Okay, and when someone click the button, okay, it call the method, and in this method okay, we update this label. So okay, it's here. Okay, initially our label is hello, and then when I click here, then label is updated. Hope you guys clear now. If you are not clear it and stop it somewhere, please kindly comment down below, and thank you for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe.